fold the paper long ways in half, matching up the two corners. Crease it down the middle. Unfold it. Then take from the top right corner, fold it down so that the top page lines up with the crease. Crease that line down. Then do the same on the opposite side from the left corner. Making a point, and these two should match up in a perfectly straight line. Now take the right half again, folding it down so that the top line meets that center crease again, and a point at the front. And crease it down again. Do the same on the opposite side. Again, it should be symmetrical. Now flip the entire plane over, fold it in half longways. Take your top wing, fold it down so that the top line matches up with the bottom. Crease it, flip it over, do the same on the other side. Making sure everything comes to a point and matching both of the wings up with the opposite side. And the line, crease, and prop up the wings so that they're flat.